Well friends, here is problem number 40 and the given figure is this. So we have to find this missing part, and the given four alternatives are first, second, third and fourth. So in the previous example we found the missing part or the correct option by eliminating the wrong options from the given four options. Okay, in this case I will not use that technique. I will draw this missing figure. I will draw this missing figure and then I will compare that figure with the given four alternatives and then finally take the correct option. So if you see the given figure, you can directly draw the missing figure. It is very simple problem. You can draw the missing figure. So first I will complete this rectangle. Okay. Here I am going to complete this rectangle. So I completed the rectangle. Next, if you see carefully, I am having this curve, and this curve will become a sine wave. This curve will become sine wave because I am also having a curve like this here, and this is becoming a sine wave. If you see carefully, this is becoming like sine wave. So this curve also become a sine wave, and I am having here a inclined line, or I can say that this is a diagonal drawn for that rectangle. So I will first draw this diagonal and then I will go to that sine wave. First I completed this diagonal, okay, and then I will move to the sine wave. I will complete this sine wave. Okay. So this will be my sine wave. And one more thing you have to observe carefully. This sine wave is not touching to this side. So this sine wave is not touching to this side. That means you should not touch your sine wave or part of sine wave to this side. So that has to be, yes, that has to be kept in mind. Okay. Now this is the part of sine wave. Okay. Now if you see, there is, yes, there are two inclined lines here, first and second, which are having a broad gap between them. So I will draw that line here. I will draw that first line. Okay, this is my first inclined line, or I can say the diagonal for this rectangle, and I have to draw one more line which should not touch this sine wave. Here you can see that this line is not touching to this part of the sine wave. So I have to draw an inclined line which should not touch to sine wave. So this will be my missing part. So this will be my missing part. Just compare this with the given options. You are going to get right option. If you see the first option, whether it is matching, there is no match. So this is the wrong option. Now moving to second option, is there any match? Yes, there is no match. This is also a wrong option. Now moving to third option, is there any match? Yes, it is matching with this figure, the drawn figure, but I am not having this inclined line. Not having this inclined line in this option. This line is not present. So this is also a wrong option. Now I left with only last option or the fourth option. So this has to be the right option, or even you can cross check the drawn figure with the fourth option. You are going to get the similar drawing in the fourth option. So that has to be the right option. Now I will move to next problem.